When it comes to plastic surgeons in the Phoenix area, Dr. Patti Flint is a rare find. Believe it or not, only 6% of the board-certified plastic surgeons in this area are women.
Hi there.
Hi.
How are you? Nice to see you again.
I think my practice is a little unique in the sense that I'm obviously female, and I think that I possibly view things slightly differently than some of my male colleagues.
Performing plastic surgery from a woman's perspective adds a sense of comfort and confidence many patients simply can't find elsewhere. If you consider that nearly 90% of plastic surgery patients are female, it's easy to understand why so many of them turn to Dr. Flint.
But I do think that sometimes it's a little bit more comfortable for our female patients to meet with me and know that I face similar challenges with aging in my own appearance, and I can relate to the things that they're considering.
Dr. Flint's entire staff is female. Joni Patton, her patient care coordinator, and other staff members make sure patients get individualized care. Nothing cookie-cutter about this practice. The staff is nice, but also dedicated. Dedicated to educating patients and making sure all their concerns are addressed.
If you know exactly what to expect out of where you're going, what you're doing, how to prepare for it, how to take care of yourself afterwards, if you know every detail of what to expect to the best of our knowledge, I think that helps people be a lot more relaxed and comfortable with what they're doing.
I certainly understand that cosmetic surgery is an elective procedure, and I take the educational side of my time with the patient very seriously. I want to make sure that I feel that they understand the surgeries that they're going to have done and that specifically all of their questions are answered.
Dr. Flint has an office in Mesa as well as this one in Old Town Scottsdale. It's on the same campus as Scottsdale Osborne Hospital. All of her surgeries are performed right across the street from the office at Greenbaum Surgery Center. Certified as a specialty hospital, it meets the same specifications as a large hospital operating room. Dr. Flint works regularly with 5 hand-selected anesthesiologists who are all board certified. And the staff at the Surgery Center works very closely with her own office staff, which means patients feel more at home throughout the process.
As far as how the scale is going to change for you?
They can also rest assured they're in the hands of a surgeon with great credentials. Dr. Flint graduated with honors from UC Davis. At Houston's Baylor College of Medicine, she was recognized for student excellence in plastic surgery. Former chief of plastic surgery at Scottsdale Osborne, she's been twice honored as one of the top docs by Phoenix Magazine. To her staff, there are more reasons why Dr. Flint stands out.
A lot of doctors are just about here and now and make you happy today and say goodbye, and whatever happens down the road happens and they'll see you back. Dr. Flint is very much about your future. What not only makes you happy today and meets your goals for today, but what's going to be safe for you down the road and the longevity of what she does for you. She loves natural results. She always says, if I can't make it look natural, I don't want to do it.
This is the best thing I've ever done for myself, ever.
Mimi is obviously pleased with her results: a breast augmentation and lift, tummy tuck, and liposuction. For 30 years, Mimi says, despite all her dieting and exercising, she felt she must be doing something wrong, until Dr. Flint explained it was just heredity.
When you're working out, you're working out, you're working out, and it's not changing, and then somebody just comes along in 4 hours and fixes it all and you walk out, I had tears of joy the week after. Tears of joy.
I definitely think it exceeded my expectations. People certainly have come back to me almost on a weekly basis to share with me how their improved self-confidence has positively affected their life. It's amazing to me how something that would seem fairly minor, as far as adjusting a nasal tip a little bit, can suddenly help particularly a younger patient become more social at school and pursue things that they maybe wouldn't have in the past.
Oh, will never forget what you did for me. And I mean that.
Serving her patients with compassion and seeing the physical and emotional changes many of them experience is a rewarding part of what Dr. Flint does every day. Whether she's performing a facelift, a tummy tuck, liposuction, or cosmetic breast surgery, she does it with the care and understanding anyone would expect from one of Arizona's rarest plastic surgeons.